How to bulk edit price variants in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you want to change the prices of your variants on a Shopify product, it's very easy and simple. You can do this for a specific number of variants or all of your variants as well. So, to do that, simply head on over to your Shopify dashboard and click on products. Once you click on products, click on the particular product you want to change the price variants on. Then you're going to scroll to this section over here, which is your variant section. Now, from here, select the variants that you want to change the prices for. Now, if you want to change this for all of your variants, just click on the top selection icon. Then you're not going to click on bulk edit. Instead, click on these three dots over here and then click on edit prices. Now, from here, you can apply a price to all of your variants altogether. So let's say I want all of my variants to be $100. I can click that and then click on apply to all and then click on done. Now $100 has been the price set for all of my variants. Now, if you want to do this for particular variants, simply select those variants. So I can do this for half of them. Let's say my red, blue, pink, black bags are cheaper. So what I would do is just select those and do the same process. And then you can just go on ahead and edit the price of those particular ones. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.